This video will explain how scammers try to steal your PIN. Scammers cannot directly break into your bank account or hack Google Pay. So instead what they will do is they will use tricks to make you give them your UPI PIN, ATM PIN or card details. The goal is simple. If they know your UPI PIN, they can send money from your account to themselves. To protect yourself, you must understand the common methods which scammers use. First one is fake customer support calls. Many scammers pretend to be from Google Pay support, your bank, a delivery company, a billing service. They say things like your Google Pay is blocked. I need your UPI PIN to fix it. Share your ATM PIN for verification. Give me your OTP to restart your account. This is always fake. No real support team will ever ask for your UPI PIN, OTP, or card details. Second one is QR code scams. Scammers tell you scan this QR code to get your refund or cashback. This is a lie. Scanning a QR code is only sending for money, not receiving it. When you scan the QR code, Google Pay asks you for your UPI PIN. If you enter it, you send money to the scammer, not the other way around. This is one of the most common tricks used to steal your money. Third one is fake payment messages or screenshots. Scammers sometimes send fake screenshots, fake payments and messages, fake SMS showing you have received money. Then they tell you there is a technical issue. To receive the money, enter your UPI PIN or scan this code. This is a trap. You never need your UPI PIN to receive money. Fourth one is phishing links or fake websites. Scammers send links that look like cashback offer, KYC update, Google Pay verification, bank account update, and refund form. When you click the link, you may ask to enter your UPI PIN, enter your ATM PIN, give your credit card number, expiry date, or CVV. These website looks real but are fake. Once you enter your UPI PIN, the scammers get it instantly. Fifth one is fake jobs, rewards, or online task. Some scams start like this. You will get a reward or income, but first confirm with your UPI PIN. Scan this to get your first payout. The person pretends to offer work from home job, commission based task, cashback, reward money, and instant income. In reality, they are just trying to get your UPI PIN. Sixth one is fake verification or KYC expired messages. Scammers try to scare you by saying your Google Pay will be blocked today. Your bank account will stop working. KYC expired, verify now. Then they ask for UPI PIN, ATM PIN, OTP, and card details. No bank or app will ask for this information over the message or call. Seventh one is social engineering or building fake trust. Some scammers spend time building trust. They may act friendly, helpful, or professional. They pretend to be delivery agents, online sellers, technical support, known contacts, and service staff. Once they gain your trust, they try to get your UPI PIN, sometimes casually. For example, just enter your PIN to confirm the refund. It is part of the process. Like that, they will say. And this is another trick. Eighth one is payment request scam or collect request scam. Instead of asking your PIN directly, scammers send a collect request. If you accept the collect request, money goes from your account to them. In case of collect request, Google Pay will ask you for your UPI PIN. If you enter it without checking, then you lose your money. Always reject payment requests from unknown people. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.